CEO of Binance confirmed Cardano Overtake Bitcoin. ADA to $4,000.
Recently, the world's attention has been actively focused on cryptocurrencies. Many large investors actively invest their funds in various crypto projects only because they can bring considerable income. Such a project is Cardano. Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. Do you think the analysts are right about Cardano? Write the answers in the comments.
Giving away 500 Cardano at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive Cardano coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word Cardano, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. The Cardano digital currency has grown significantly in Asian markets, surpassing even EOS. It seems that the Cardano boom is returning, as the coin has won about 5% of the trading volume of the entire cryptocurrency market. This is a real feat for an altcoin, considering that Ether is only 10% of the total volume. Overnight, Cardano rose more than 22% to 20 cents, although it is still a fairly low price. Nevertheless, the asset grew weekly and moved away from the recent low by 74%. The main incentive in trading, apparently, was the expansion of trading pairs on Binance, where Cardano ranks third after Verge. In the coming days, it will become clear how the influx of USDT into the Cardano market will affect the price. Binance is one of the largest holders of USDT, which allows the token to enter many altcoin markets. On April 16, Cardano also started trading on the leading Chinese exchange Huobi Pro. It is gratifying that after several weeks of a sideways trend, when there was almost no activity around ADA, a new growth is taking place as a result of an increase in trading volumes. Price activity also received an additional boost thanks to the partnership with the Emergo project. Hopes for Cardano's recovery are currently strengthening. This asset still remains promising. It can grow and displace leading coins such as Litecoin. At its first price peak, Cardano was a relatively unknown coin that appeared only as a result of the ICO. Its price remained at 3 cents for a long time before Cardano suddenly broke into the top 10. It is quite possible that Cardano will be at the current high level for several days, as the mood on social networks is positive. It is also possible that the exchange rate of the coin will increase due to the expected release of the update to version 1.2. Shortly after announcing performance improvements as part of its roadmap for 2022, Cardano is currently in the Basho phase. The phase when it refuses to define scalability in terms of million TPS. This is stated in a recent blog post. He also added that transactions come in different shapes and sizes, especially when comparing different platforms. Therefore, in this regard, IOHK, the company supporting Cardano, emphasized that throughput, finality, and concurrency are the most important indicators. While throughput is the amount of data processed over a certain period, finality is the time it takes the system to complete a transaction. In addition, IOHK defined concurrency as the amount of work that different participants can do without blocking each other. With that said, Basho is a scaling stage and a network optimization stage for Cardano, within which Hydra is the most important protocol for scaling. We know that Hydra started after Alonzo, and since then it has attracted attention as a set of Tier 2 solutions. According to Charles Hoskinson, the head of IOHK, and the Hydra chapter, which is like an autonomous mini-ledger between participants, is part of this path to Cardano scalability. Having said that, IOHK mentioned, this week, the Hydra team announced the completion of work on the first version of network validators along with the publication of an engineering roadmap for Hydra Head. Meanwhile, as Cardano scales up to avoid any future issues with overloading its dApps, Cardano wallets are also growing. Recently, the community has crossed the 3 millionth milestone in terms of active wallets. A significant increase from almost 200,000 at the beginning of 2021. Meanwhile, a recent Kraken report also notes a surge in network activity due to recent updates. When it comes to its own Cardano token, the coin has managed to grow by 10% over the past week. At the time of writing, it is hovering around $1.1, having increased by about 8.7% over the last day. However, it is still lower by more than 60% compared to the record figure recorded in September 2021. But at the moment, the platform has grown to $84 million in total on Defilama. On the daily chart, Bitcoin overcame the $39,000 resistance level and gained a foothold above it. Currently, it is necessary to pay close attention to the area of about $42,000. If the bulls can get to this zone, there are chances to see a continuation of growth to $45,000 next week. If buyers fail to do this, we can expect a decline to the formed mirror level of $39,000. Bitcoin is trading at $41,000 at the time of publication. Ethereum has grown less than Bitcoin, with an increase of 6.3%. Ethereum is trading around resistance at $3.1. If the bulls can break through this level, the growth may continue to the area of $3,500. In case of a false breakthrough, the decline may lead to an increase in the rate of the main altcoin to $2,815. At the time of publication, Ethereum is trading at $3,000. Despite the growth, XRP did not leave the channel located between support at $0.5461 and resistance at $0.60. At the moment, the rate is approaching the 68 cents mark amid an increase in trading volume. In case of a breakthrough, there are chances to see a test of the liquidity zone in the area of $0.8 next week. Cardano is no exception to the rule, having increased by almost 10%. Cardano is trading similarly to XRP, as it is also near the resistance level of $1.1. However, the volume of purchases is declining, which means that the bulls may have encountered some obstacles on the way. In this case, a more likely scenario is continued sideways trading around $1.1. Binance Coin is the largest player in the list today, as its rate has increased by 12% since yesterday. The live Cardano price today is $1 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $947 million. We update our Cardano to USD price in real time. Cardano is down 56% in the last 24 hours. Do you think Cardano will be able to surpass Bitcoin? Write your answers in the comments. For today, I say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.